Hi guys, today we going to talk all about Hovsco HovAlpha 26-inch fat e-bike, safe package delivery box, and Assemble products review featuring other many upgrades come with this bike for the price. Here's my first impression. The box is packaging very well, safe and secured, with many wrap foam and block foam, to keep the bike stable for bouncing. Another point for Hovsco, safety foam block protecting the derailleur and disc brake. The front suspension is well wrapping in the frame. Now we going to remove all the foam and zip ties. For this we using our cutter. The bike look great with the internal battery Samsung/LG. The finish welding is smooth and good design, clean and strong. The bottom bracket is the regular square taper. The crankset is with spindle and BB cups, good upgrade for smooth ride. Another point for Hovsco company. Another plus for Hovsco is the hydraulic disc brake. Many e-bikes coming with mechanical disc brake, in the fork suspension coming with protection bolt, that help to protect the fork. Here we have the warranty book. This bike coming with 18 different warranty. Yes, you hear well, the warranty cover many components. That's another plus to Hovsco. Now is time for the handlebar install. Just need to tied 4 bolts. Always line up the handlebar. After install the screen, nice LED screen, no square, unique design. The computer and the light coming in the same bracket. To install just tied 2 bolts gently. Your light is adjustable up and down. Nice and smooth. The owner order the fenders. Here the box. The fenders is a strong plastic with a good finish, matte black color. Came with plastic cover bag. Inside came the bolts and fittings. To install the fender first, get the plastic bracket and the plate with 2 bolts, and insert the metal arm inside and tied the 2 bolts. Now is time to remove the safety bolts with 17-inch wrench. Install the fender is very easy. Tied the first bolt here, the other 2 bolts going in the fork. To install the wheel, remove the protection plastic from the disc brake. Now we open the box to find the quick release. In the box coming the pedals, kickstand, quick release and tool bag. With the quick release we can install the fat tire. Make sure alignment the rotor inside the disc brake. After put the quick release inside the axle and tied. Great. We finish with the front. Now we going to install the rear fender. The rear fender come with 4 bolts, 2 large and 2 small, 1 large bolt going in the top, the other large bolt going in the bottom and the 2 small in the stay tube frame. After finish with the fender, now it's time for the rack. The rack coming in other box. Don't forget the rack is not coming with the bike. My customer order the rack in the Hovsco website. To install just need 4 bolts. You going to need 2 bolts each side. The holes is on the stay tube, very easy to install. Here the example. Now we going to install the rear tail light. The rear tail light come with the switch on, off. The light is order in Hovsco website. To install the rear tail light, just need 2 bolts and is going in the rack. Now the kickstand is going behind the down tube. The 2 bolts is in the kickstand. Just tied the bolts, super easy. Now the pedals come left and right. Don't forget, the right one is going on the chainring side, or where is the chain side. This very important. And the left here. Here the bike. Strong, beautiful design and with many upgrades other bikes don't have. My final review, the Hovsco HovAlpha 26-inch fat e-bike is a great bike, came with many upgrades, Zoom hydraulic disc brake, Zoom front fork suspension, motor is powerful 750 upgraded brushless gear hub motor, 85 Nm torque, means help to pedal easy in any terrain, strong ride and smooth, good technology, the battery give you 80 miles range, better of any e-bike in the market, came with 48V with 20 Samsung/LG, it's the most strong batteries with the technology of Samsung and LG, the biggest companies in batteries. The battery came with flashlight, big flashlight, help a most of the adventure guys for illuminated your campsite. The LCD digital panel is clear to give many information, display battery, speed, pedal assist level, range, and distance, and the big plus is the warranty make you to buy this bike with confidence. Okay guys, that's all.